What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on a Dex activity, Nadeko Guinea and Kimberly Ann invites everyone to watch their lakon, which is the Spy Doctor Epidemic. On Instagram post, the two had an interview of one of the big station in Thailand. Nadeko Guinea and Kimberly Ann was doing a recital show on how interesting their new project. Many fans was also excited to Rosaya and Marpin, and the two was also had an interview in playing a game, and both couple has a chemistry that's something that you can tell. Both actress and actors has a different charisma when it comes in a show and the real life. Rosette Spearban and Kimberly Ann was so lucky to have their partners, especially when they asked them to get married in Switzerland and Italy. Many fans can't wait to the news and to look forward for upcoming weddings.